Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods.
Today, we have something special for all the amazing moms out there.
Introducing the best mom ever gifts tumbler, a stainless steel, mint green tumbler that's sure to delight any mom.
This tumbler isn't just any ordinary water bottle.
It's a thoughtful gift, a practical accessory, and a stylish statement all rolled into one.
Let's dive into what makes this the best water bottle for moms. First off, let's talk about design.
The mint green color is not only trendy but also a refreshing change from the standard water bottles out there. It's accompanied by a sturdy lid and a convenient straw, making it perfect for moms on the go. But what sets this tumbler apart is its message, best mom ever. Imagine the smile on your mom's face when she sees this reminder of your love and appreciation every time she takes a sip.
Now, let's talk functionality.
Whether your mom is rushing to work, running errands, or simply relaxing at home, this tumbler has got her covered. Its double-wall, vacuum-insulated design ensures that her drinks stay at the perfect temperature, whether hot or cold.
And let's not forget about durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tumbler is built to last. It's break-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to withstand the rigors of daily life. Looking for the perfect gift for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just to show your mom how much she means to you? Look no further. This tumbler is not just a present, it's a symbol of your love and appreciation.
So there you have it, folks. The best mom ever gifts tumbler, the ultimate water bottle for moms everywhere. Whether she's hydrating on the go or relaxing at home, this tumbler is sure to become her new favorite accessory. Don't wait. Show your mom how much you care with this thoughtful and practical gift.